With no slowdown in the global resurgence of COVID-19, some countries are taking some of their strictest measures ever to try and limit the spread. This includes France, which is set to introduce a 6 p.m. curfew. Seung-jae has a wrap-up.
Most of France has been under an 8 p.m. curfew, but to contain the rapid spread of the virus, the French government will impose a nationwide 6 p.m. curfew for at least 15 days, starting Saturday. While a 6 p.m. curfew is one of the toughest measures imposed in a country, France has already been under the strict curfew in some parts of the country, especially in the hardest-hit eastern regions. So far, schools will be allowed to remain open, but indoor sports activities have been banned again. In order to protect students, teachers, and faculty, at least 1 million COVID-19 tests a month would be carried out in schools. In addition, travelers arriving in France from non-EU regions would have to present a negative COVID-19 test within 72 hours and will be required to self-isolate for 7 days. This would be followed by a second test. In the UK, all inbound flights from Brazil could be banned in response to the discovery of a new variant from the South American country. Ministers have also met to discuss other possible measures, and flight bans could be extended to other South American countries as well. Currently, arrivals from Brazil are required to self-isolate for 10 days. In Japan, the number of daily cases continues to rise at record pace, as the country reported 6,591 cases as of Thursday evening. The country also reported 64 additional deaths. Health authorities fear that casualties might continue to rise as the number of patients in ICUs continues to rise. Currently, there are 920 critically ill patients, setting new daily highs for the 11th straight day. In China, the first reported COVID-19 related death was reported on Thursday, the first since May. A woman in Hebei province died Wednesday afternoon and is known to have had pre-existing health conditions. The latest report comes as the province has reported a rapid increase in cases this month. In less than 2 weeks, authorities have locked down Shijiazhuang and other parts of Hebei province in an effort to keep the virus from spreading. Meanwhile, a team from the World Health Organization arrived in Wuhan on Thursday in order to try and investigate the origin of the virus. Seung-jae, Arirang News.